Hi everyone, welcome to my drive and fail clips from August. I'm going to start off with this one. It's not so much of a fail, but a little bit of a misunderstanding. I think the blue car trying to help pulls in a little too much. And this causes the lady behind to think they're parking. Easily fixed though. Cheers for trying, guys. In this clip I'm doing some instructor training. Watch the van from behind.
So again, have a little go at this, try and add some of the terms that I'm just going to wait for the other learner to come past.
I'm positioned perfectly and centrally in the middle of my lane.
Is this van going to...
Yeah, maybe. Nah, can't be asked. Now he has to reverse. Now he's going. Oh, could go. Making a situation for them to panic.
Yeah, that's right. It's just the lack of planning.
Yeah.
It's just avoidance, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
In this clip we see a classic space closer. The audio is off because I'm having a private conversation with my mum about an ill member of the family. But I promise you, there was no argy-bargy. It's the Mercedes behind us in lane 2 that we're watching. And watch closely as I try to move across just after the lights. You can see the reflection of my indicator in his number plate. And as I match my speed to the silver car in front, he obviously closes the space down and stops me going across. And all because he wants to move to the left. He reacts to my flash though, he saw that, and now he wants an argument. So I just drive past. Would he have driven like that if I were a police car? Let me know what you think.
Need the gear though, mate. You need it to slow. Yeah, there's a give way to do. Can you see much to the left? No. Go super slow and then creep to finish it off. Boss, blue sign, one-way street. We're going to get down to the end and turn right. Okay, good.
No hesitation whatsoever from my pupil knowing that if you're turning right at the end of a one-way street, you turn from the right side. Have a look at the taxi behind,
What are you going to do with
the
it?
professional.
I think I called the WEM.
No, don't. You So no is the correct decision. It's only when you go yes I can is that you're good with it.
Yeah.
Is the red one gone? Yeah, good. Potentially. Just have a little edge around the taxi. Good. And a right turn, please.
He was going to come round us then as well, wasn't he?
Get looking. Who's coming?
I've got no issues whatsoever about anyone overtaking my learner car at any point. Just do it safely. And I've got no issues with the grey car when they do an overtake.
Yeah? Good.
That is until we catch them up again at the next set of lights and I spot something.
So, lightest, earliest touch on the brake. Good. Listen. Yeah. Keep off the cycle area. Squeeze more brake. More. Less a little. Stop. Good. Shows you how much the overtake got this car, doesn't it? Yeah?
Yeah.
It's absolutely stupid. Good. Look at the kids in the car as well. See them? They've got no seat belts on or anything. Next left, please.
In this clip I'm having a conversation with someone in the car, so I can't have the audio on. But as I arrive at the back of this queue, I spot a lady in the car to my right. So I budge up so my side camera can see what she's doing. Yep, she's putting her makeup on, and it is something that I see all the time. I'm never going to praise this lady for only putting her makeup on while she was stationary in a queue, but at least she was doing it while she was stopped and not while she was moving. Let me know what you think about people putting makeup on.
Oh, Greg! That's so cute!
As I approach this light, the van at the front of the queue is stopped for no reason. I wonder why that is.
Does she know the words, do you think? Like,
That's right, on his phone and doesn't have a clue what's going on around him.
she know don't call me up and stuff?
I think she will by the end of the night.
Yeah, okay, good. So...
Watch the group of people on the pavement up ahead on the left, and especially the young child at the front. You imagine if my student had been travelling much quicker. Pick up on the clues that there's going to be a problem. Watch the signal from the learner. There you go. Only 3 clicks of that right signal.
So notice, just hold back. Yeah?
Yeah,
Are you going all the way around in the left lane?
yeah. It's a learner, maybe that's why.
Well,
Whoever is sitting
whoever's
next to him,
sat
maybe
in
not, yeah,
the
not
left
teaching
seat
them
is-
properly.
is
Yeah,
not doing the best
That's
job.
it, yeah.
How can you teach them to go all the way around in the left
In
lane?
the left lane.
Anyway,
Stay in the left lane, probably that's what they do.
yeah, you're not wrong.
Yeah.
You're not wrong.
Here's the same road from an earlier clip, and again it's spot the danger, the obvious one. This cyclist isn't slowing.
Very well done. You did excellently with that. There was a lot of people jumping lights there, and you dealt with the dozy cyclist
Who just
really
carried
nicely.
on.
He just didn't have a
I
clue,
didn't
did
want to
he?
half there thinking, oh, I'm going to let you go, but then he just went off
He
anyway.
just went
so I was
anyway.
like,
Absolutely, absolutely. So you've always got to be ready to deal with that, and you
Yeah.
were. Did you know what that red beeping?
was that because it was too...
The car was just pre-sensing the accident, that's all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and was ready to do something about it. Gives you a little warning first. You did well, you sorted it nicely.
Watch the red car from behind barge through after the road has merged. He's got to get past the learner.
Jesus Christ.
Then a little further, we have the black BMW do this,
We're turning right.
and then the guy in the red car seems to be
need to
mouthing
signal yet.
off at my driving school car. Watch the van behind and see how it exits the motorway.
Until we're off the slip road and into the left side. Now you can slow down. Yeah? We're turning left at the roundabout. What to do with the roundabout left turn?
Okay, these two go left and keep it.
Even though it was terrible planning, they went over the hatch markings, and it's something that I wouldn't have done. I've seen people act much more recklessly in situations like this. Let me know what you think. This clip is absolutely bizarre. I had no idea what this black car in front of me was doing at the lights. Luckily again, my side camera captured everything. Where is he going? I thought he was doing a U-turn at first, but no, he's deciding to move into the oncoming traffic lane to try to do his right turn.
Where are you going?
Watch the people behind in the white Audi. And the guys behind are also having a chuckle.
Random.
These last couple of clips were collected on my way back home after a trip down south. Watch the lorry in front move back to the left. After moving out to overtake the white car, I cannot believe this lorry driver forgot that the white car was there. That's terrible. You've got to take a lot more responsibility with that vehicle, mate. And with this final clip, we're going to have a little bit of a challenge. I witness the remnants of an accident a bit further up. What I'd like you to do now is pause the clip and tell me in the comments what two makes were involved. Did you go for German? I bet most of you did. And if you did, you'd be right. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Keep safe, and I'll see you soon.